Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn off your PlayStation 4 controller when it's connected to your computer. Now, to turn off your controller, there is no clear way to turn it off, but there is one way that we can do it by holding down the middle PlayStation button. If we hold this down for approximately 6 to 10 seconds, it will turn off the controller. So you can see my light bar is turned on right now. I'm going to hold down the PlayStation button right here, and it's going to turn off the controller. So after about 6 to 10 seconds, my controller should turn off, and my controller just turned off. Now I can put it to the side, I can start charging it somewhere else, and then all I have to do is press the PlayStation button to reconnect it if I'm connected via Bluetooth to my computer, and Steam might open up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.